important message to you this morning regarding our dear brother, the alpha male himself, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. On that note, I'll turn over to Mr. Sowore. Thank you.
Let me greet everybody in the digital way of greeting Ndebo. Cha 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 Igbo Kwen. Cha 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 Igbo Kwen. Question. That's the digital way. We are here not to waste your time because we don't have time anymore. We have actually run out of time, but they are lucky we have not run out of patience yet. We are here to give you the good news that Nnamdi Kanu might be on his way to freedom. But we have one more step to take. You know, those of you who are Christians, you know the wall of Jericho. When it was about to fall, there was a command that we must march around it. And that is what we are doing on October 20th. That wall of Jericho that has been keeping our brother away from freedom, we want to take it down. Amen. By marching on Aso Rock Villa on Monday next week. We have decided that nothing will stop us on that day. And what we are doing today is a mobilization and awareness and conscientization for that day. And we are here to plead with you to come with us. We are here to plead with you to take a break on Monday, even for a few hours, to join us so that we can have the mass movement. It is what Bob Marley calls exodus, you know.
Exodus.
Yes, movement of the people. Exodus, movement of the people. So this time, this is the last lap to the promised land. That is why we are here. We are not here to eat, drink, or dance. We are here to ask for just one thing. The hashtag is MNK October 20. Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now!
We've watched with disappointment and pain in our hearts as our dear president watch as some Nigerians, people like Reno Omokri, Fani Kayode, and Ruben Abat, make statements that is capable of setting this country on fire. And they watch without doing anything about it. We are here when one of the SND in Ajawo Estate made a similar statement. He was arrested, incarcerated for nothing. And we also demand that the federal government dismantle with immediate effect all the checkpoints and all the military checkpoints in the southeast. If the militaries could be in the southeast and we have this high level of crime in the southeast, I don't think we are safe in the hands of the military. We call on the governors of the southeast, raise vigilante groups. Let each community go and raise vigilante groups to guide yourself.
It's our children they are killing. We are standing our ground today to say no to all this. Otherwise, we'll all become not just widows, but childless.
Another thing we want to also talk about is that the federal government should please release Nnamdi Kanu so that we will have absolute peace in the southeast.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock, Nigeria's seat of power, and demand Kanu's release in person. If the government can negotiate with terrorists, why not with Nnamdi Kanu? He referenced past amnesty and dialogue efforts with Boko Haram and bandits, contrasting it with the continued detention of Kanu despite multiple court rulings in his favor. #free Nnamdi Kanu now.